me on my channel today with Amy's Creative Acrylics. I'm Amy. Hello, hello. Today I'm pretty excited about today's pour. I am doing a collaboration with Shannon Gibson Art and Designs. She did a post on her video on her channel for her subscribers to choose 2 colors, and the 2 top choice colors that were picked would be what we're going to use today. And so that, yes, 2 colors only, that's all we can use. And we're doing a flip cup. So this is going to be fun because usually with a flip cup you use way more than 2 colors. So I will leave her information in the description below. By the time you see my video here, she's already done hers. Hers played at 1 p.m. today, Atlantic Standard Time. Mine, of course, is at 2:45 Central. But I'm pretty excited about this. And if you don't know who Shannon Gibson Art and Designs is, if you have not visited her channel, you are totally missing out. She's an amazing artist. She does some beautiful, beautiful pieces. So please, please, please go check her out, which I'm sure that everybody has already because she's awesome. But I will put her link in the description so it'll take you right to her channel. So the colors that were picked were a turquoise and a gold. So we can basically use any turquoise that we wanted and any gold we wanted. The colors that I'm using are Liquitex Basics Turquoise Blue. And then, surprise, surprise, Decoart Metallics 24 karat gold. And then we get to do our little twist on it. So we're doing a flip cup with our twist. So I don't know what her twist is. Probably by the time I post this video I will. But at the time I'm making it, I do not. So we're going to kind of surprise each other with our twist. So, which I don't really know what that entails or what exactly, but we'll see. I'm going to use, this is a 14 by 14 inch canvas. So I thought I would do 3 little cups here. These are like 5-ounce cups that I'm going to just start layering. Almost got them all good except for that one. So I'm just going to give these a few minutes to kind of come out a little bit, come down the cup. I do want to thank everybody for watching. This is a really fun collaboration. I was really excited to do this collaboration with her. I'm really enjoying, I've been doing some really fun collaborations lately, and sorry about the messy table, but there's a lot of amazing artists on YouTube, and I'm honored for each one that does a collaboration with me. Like, it's just, everybody's been amazing and fun and just so friendly, and so I have a couple collaborations in the works coming up, which I'm super excited about, but I'm not going to talk about yet. All right, so now I'm just going to pull this one this way. This one I'll kind of pull that way, and this one I'll pull this way. Lose too much of that paint there, so come on back. These cups are beautiful. All right, so I'm going to torch a little bit here and get rid of my air bubbles. All of my paints are mixed with Floetrol, Liquitex gloss pouring medium, and a little bit of water. Okay, so I think I'm going to go this way first. Oh, there's a big air bubble. Torch it here a little bit more. Get the air bubbles out. Make sure my edges here are all good. This is beautiful. These are really cool how they look like clouds. Right now, anyway. There's some really cool cells popping up here. I really like this one. This one really turned out really pretty. turquoise is really pretty. Like this was a kind of a fun challenge because of only being able to use 2 colors, and we chose, I believe we chose the technique before we decided to only do 2 colors. Then we kind of debated about going back and forth. Maybe we should change our technique, but then we were like, but what if we did the technique and we just did our little spin on it. So where we could do like a flip and drag or flip and lip or a flip and whatever you want to do. But I have to say that I'm really liking this. I don't know. I'm trying to debate here what I want to do. If I want to do anything different. All these cells popping up here are pretty awesome. Big gold cells. But like I said, I will put Shannon's information in the description below. So if you just go and click on that and click on that link for her, it'll take you right to her channel for the video. Just trying to see if I can get any more cool cells to pop up here. I don't really think I want to do much more with it. I thought about doing, since we can't really use any other colors, I don't really want to smear it or anything. But I do think I don't know. These cells I don't want to touch. These are beautiful. I love all this gold here and here that popped up. This is beautiful too with the little swirls in there now. I really like that a lot. So I think I'm thinking pretty good with this. I'm gonna bring it down for a close-up. All right, sorry about that, everybody. I kind of dropped my phone when I took it out of the ring light, and it went sliding up underneath the painting to there. So unfortunately I had to do a little phone cleaning before I could click back on. Look at my hands. Oh goodness. All right, well, I gotta show you, Miss Pink got a new dress today. It says Mommy's Little Angel. All right, sorry, and then I forgot to turn the ring light off because I was worried about getting my phone out of the paint. But just look at that. Look at how pretty that is. This turquoise blue is so pretty. Got so much shimmer with the gold underneath of there. And just look at those cells. Look at those crazy cells. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and you will like and subscribe and share. And please go and check out Shannon Gibson Art and Designs. She's an amazing artist, and thanks again, Shannon. It was a fun collaboration. I hope you had a good time with it. I know you're a busy, busy lady. But I'm glad you squeezed it in and we got it done. And I can't wait to see yours, which I'm sure by now, if you're seeing this, I've seen yours. And I'm sure it's awesome. But thanks everybody for watching. I hope everybody is healthy and safe from COVID and healthy in general. And have a good day. Have a good evening. Keep being creative. Bye.